Ikon Technologies is a suite of vehicle location and telematics solutions designed for inventory management, customer retention, and asset protection. As someone installing or supporting this technology, you need to be able to confidently identify the hardware components and understand how they work. For example, the connected devices and cellular antennas. Most systems operate on LTE or 5G cellular networks and are designed for discrete placement within the vehicle's frame. Ikon uses LTE 5G tech and consists of locators, antennas, and either plug-and-play or hardwire modules. Before installation, verify the device model and power supply. Post-installation, sync the unit with the app or dashboard. Pro tip: make sure the correct device model is being used for the vehicle type and verify your power supply points. Most units are plug-and-play via the OBD2 port or hardwired directly to the vehicle battery. Your method depends on the installation scope and product tier the dealership has selected. You'll need to activate the device through the Ikon app or dashboard immediately after install to ensure it syncs properly with the platform. It is important to make sure to complete system testing before using the devices. Understanding the Ikon products isn't just about knowing what wires to connect. It's about knowing how those tools empower dealership management. By mastering both the specifications and installation requirements, you help make sure every vehicle leaves the lot fully connected and ready to go.